Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish soup for patients. First, prioritize safety and digestibility. Select very fresh, mild white fish, such as cod or sole, ensuring all bones are meticulously removed. This prevents choking and makes the soup easier to consume. Avoid any strong spices, excessive salt, or high-fat ingredients that could upset a sensitive stomach. Gentle preparation is key for patient comfort and recovery. When selecting ingredients, opt for about 8 ounces of lean white fish per serving. Good choices include cod, haddock, or tilapia. Pair this with easily digestible vegetables like finely diced carrots, celery, and potatoes, ensuring they are cooked until very tender. Use a low-sodium vegetable or fish broth, or simply water, as your base. Fresh herbs like parsley or dill can add a pleasant, mild flavor without irritation. To prepare the soup, begin by simmering your finely diced vegetables in about 4 cups of low-sodium broth or water until they are tender, which usually takes around 15 minutes. Then, gently add the fish and poach it until it's cooked through, typically 5 to 7 minutes. Carefully remove the fish and flake it into very small, manageable pieces. For a smoother consistency, you can strain the broth to remove any remaining solids. When serving, ensure the soup is warm, not hot, and offer it in small, manageable portions. Check that the soup is smooth and free of any large fish pieces or vegetable chunks that might be difficult to swallow. For storage, any leftover soup should be placed in an airtight container and refrigerated promptly. It can be safely stored for up to 2 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop, ensuring it is thoroughly warmed before serving again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.